In 2008, the world didn't collapse in a single moment. It cracked, quietly. A few strange charts, a sudden freeze in lending, a whisper that turned into a scream. Today, those whispers are back. The same signals, the same fragile optimism. But this time, almost no one is paying attention. So the question is, are we watching the sequel to the 2008 crash without even realizing it? To understand what might be coming, we have to go back. In the mid-2000s, America was living in a dream built on cheap credit, easy loans, skyrocketing home prices. Banks believed housing would never fall, until it did, and trillions evaporated overnight. Now, fast forward. Today's markets look different on the surface, but the foundation feels disturbingly familiar. Debt is even bigger, risk is even more hidden, and confidence, just like 2007, is at record highs. Right before, it wasn't. Back then, the danger wasn't the homes, it was the leverage behind them. Banks stacked risky loans on top of risky loans, like balancing a skyscraper on paper straws. Today, leverage hides in new places: corporate debt, private credit funds, shadow banks, unregulated lending that now rivals the size of the entire U.S. banking system. In 2008, people trusted ratings agencies, AAA labels on ticking time bombs. Today, the illusion is different, but just as dangerous. Safe corporate loans, stable real estate funds, low-risk government bonds. All built on assumptions that break the moment cash stops flowing. Crises don't start when things go bad. They start when no one can sell, when buyers disappear, when markets turn into deserts. In 2008, banks stopped lending to each other. Today, analysts warn that corporate credit markets show the same early freeze. Liquidity is thinning. Prices are rising. So what triggers the collapse this time? Maybe a corporate default. Maybe a major bank admitting losses. Maybe a geopolitical shock that nobody can price in. Crises rarely need a big push. Just the smallest spark landing in the driest forest. And one shock could flip panic into freedom. And when the fall begins, it almost always looks the same. Credit markets lock up. Funds freeze withdrawals. Companies scramble for cash. Governments rush in. Investors tell themselves, this can't be 2008 again. But every crisis sounds impossible. If a 2008-style shock hits today, the ripple effects would spread even faster. Because we're more connected, more leveraged, more fragile. Housing markets could cool in weeks, not months. Corporate layoffs could start instantly. Retirement accounts, the ones people assume grow forever, could see decade-long losses compressed into months. And globally, countries drowning in debt would face impossible choices: inflate, default, or cut so deeply it breaks society until it becomes obvious. Crises don't repeat, but they rhyme. And the rhyme today sounds eerily familiar, not because history is destiny, but because human behavior rarely changes. Every bubble feels safe, every crash feels impossible, until it happens. The smartest thing we can do is pay attention to the signs others ignore. So tell me, do you think we're on the edge of another 2008? Or is this all just fear? Comment below. I'm reading every reply.